Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students of class ninth, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start a new chapter, namely constitutional design. Dear students, before moving towards the first topic of this very chapter, that is struggle against apartheid, let me first give you an introduction regarding the title of the chapter. The title of the chapter is Constitutional Design. First, you should know what constitution means. Then we will move towards the first topic, that's apartheid system. Constitution means a book of laws, and laws means rules and regulations. With the help of these laws, we form government. In another way, we can say that constitution is a set of written rules and regulations that embodies the formation of government. And we should also know why we need constitution. What's the reason behind the formation of the constitution? First point, there I have highlighted in this video lecture that it generates a degree of trust. Trust means bharosa, and coordination. Coordination means rabt to zabat. That is necessary for different kind of people to live together. What does it mean? It means that constitution provides, or we can say it generates, it creates a trust and coordinates different people belonging from different regions, belonging from different religions, different races, different colors, and it coordinates those people and it gives them a fair chance to live with peace and harmony. It's the first reason why we need constitution. Second, it specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have the power to take which decision. It means that constitution gives guidelines for government formation and also clearly defines the powers of taking decision by different organs of the government. First thing, it guides us how to form the government, and second thing is there that who can take decision. Third one, it laid down limits on the powers of the government and tells us what the rights of citizens are. This means that no one can use unlimited powers. When there's a word, it limits the powers of the government. That means no one can use unlimited powers, unrestricted powers. And second thing there is, tells us what the rights of citizens are. It means that it also highlights the rights and duties of citizen. And the fourth point is, it expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. Aspiration means simply किसी बंदे की, या हम कहेंगे कि लोग Again, I will recapitulate the last point, that Constitution express the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. What does it mean? It means that Constitution is a symbol of expression of people who is aiming for making welfare society. Hope you understood the title of this chapter, that what Constitution means and why we need it. Now we will move to our first topic, that is struggle against apartheid system. What apartheid means? Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa between 1948 and 1989. The white Europeans imposed this system on South Africa, and during the 17th and 18th centuries, the trading companies from Europe occupied it with arms and force. जिस तरह से they occupied India. और ये जो apartheid system है, it divide the people on the basis of their skin. Now, जो Europeans थे, they were white people, और जो नेटिव अफ्रीकन्स थे, they were blacks, और दूसरा एक ग्रुप वहां पे था, they were known as colored. They were the people who migrated from India and other countries to work in the plantations. और ये जो whites थे, they treated these all non-whites as inferiors, और इनको वहां पे कोई भी हक नहीं दिया जाता था, like they were not having the right to vote. और साथ साथ में हम देखते हैं ये जो नॉन वाइट्स थे, they were forbidden, they were not allowed to live in the areas where the white people are residing. And also we see they could work in white areas only if they had a permit. That means without permission they can't enter in the white areas. If they have to work there, they should have a permission first. And also trains, buses, hotels, restaurants, swimming pools, toilets, all were separate for whites and blacks. That means these whites adopted the policy of segregation. And also blacks could not visit the church where the whites worshipped. जो चर्च थे जिनमें इबादत करते थे whites, तो blacks को वहां पे इजाजत नहीं थी विजिट करने की. This was the apartheid system. And the man who raised the voice there against this apartheid system was Nelson Mandela, and also the African National Congress, which was known as umbrella organization that led the struggle against the policies of segregation. Nelson Mandela was a South African leader who was tried for treason. Treason means देशद्रोही का इल्जाम उस पे था. By the white South African government. तो इसको imprison किया गया वहां पे, life imprisonment for Nelson Mandela, because he was raising the voice against these whites. discriminating the native people of South Africa. And this Nelson Mandela raised the voice against this apartheid system, for which he was sentenced to life imprisonment and spent his 28 years in the dreaded prison in South African island, that's Robben Islands. Hope this is clear to you now. We will meet in the next lecture, that's towards a new constitution. Thank you and goodbye.